Welcome back to my channel, you know what I'm saying, gang gang.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kashiajabre, and today I will be showing you guys how I got this super cute ponytail using the GHair. I just want to say thank you guys for sponsoring this video. The ponytail came out so cute, like, yo, look at this. Come on now, stop playing. In this video, I'll be showing you guys like how I went from start to finish. If you are interested to see that, then I just advise you to keep watching. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and also hit that subscribe button because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you could be lit too. I'm gonna stop rambling, and if you guys are interested to see how I got this, then just keep watching. Hair I will be using today is the GHair 100% virgin human hair. When you open the box, it says Hair Queen starts now. So when you first open the box, you see that you have a wig cap. I'm not sure if this came in a bag or not because I've had this box for a little bit and I probably opened it. But I'm not sure. I just know that they sent me this wig cap. They also have like this little pamphlet thingy. I'm just gonna open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. It just tells you about their factory and about their company. And on the back, it tells you all about their hair. So yeah, that's very helpful. The hair that they sent me is the loose deep wave hair, and they sent me 3 bundles and 1 lace frontal. This is the frontal. This is what the frontal looks like. So the frontal is a 16 inch, and then they sent me 1 18 inch, 1 20 inch, and 1 22 inch. I'm just gonna take the 22 inch out so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so when you take the hair out of the pack, this is what you see. It says GHair, just like the box. And then they have the little tag, and it shows you the length and the type of hair. This is what the curl pattern looks like. It's super duper pretty. I think it'll go well with a ponytail or even a sew-in. I might sew this in my head. I don't know yet. The only thing I noticed about this hair is the fact that the bundles are relatively small, but the hair is full. So I guess it makes up for it, but we'll see when we start the ponytail. I'll tell you guys how full it is and if it's worth the shot. But so far so good. The hair is soft. I don't know if it's going to shade yet. We're going to look at all of that later. But so far so good. It doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like weed. So yeah, let's just hop right into this video. If you guys want to know more about this hair, everything will be in the description box. So yeah. Oh y'all, they also sent me some lashes. Where's the lashes at? Got to tell you that they also sent me some lashes. It says Mink 3D hair, and I think these are some good quality lashes. I really don't know much about lashes, but these look like they're full and they're thicker than what most companies send me. So I'm excited to wear these. Oh my gosh, even though I don't even know how to put them on, but hey, they're cute. I just want to say thank you GHair for sponsoring this video, and let's just hop right into the ponytail. Okay, so I am out of the shower, and as you guys can see, my hair looks moisturized and it's all detangled. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create my part, and I always like to do my part on this side of my head. I don't know why, but that's just always how I've done it. And I know that I want a deep side part, so I'm just gonna flip my hair over. And these are my baby hairs, and so I'm just gonna use that to kind of navigate where I want the part. And I also like to curve my parts because I feel like that's more flattering than a straight part. So yeah, that's just my preference. You can do whatever you want, but I like to curve mine. Okay, so after I have that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my hair down the middle in the back. And I'm going to take this section and I'm going to pin it up. For this style, I like to work in sections because my hair is super thick and I can't just brush my hair back like a lot of people can. So I have to work in sections for it to be laid. And then what you want to do is you want to part this section, just a straight line, just where the swoop is going to be. It doesn't have to be perfect because all of this is going to be covered anyway. I'm just going to twist this. And now I'm just going to work with this section. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray my hair with this spray bottle. It's just water. And then I'm gonna take a paddle brush and I'm just gonna lightly detangle my hair. So for this style, since this is a protective style, I want to protect my hair, and I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm just gonna use a little bit on this so that my hair does not be dry while I have this ponytail in. And then after that is applied, I'm going to take my paddle brush and I'm going to brush that through. Okay, to slick down my hair, I'm going to be using the Eco Styler Coconut Oil Gel. I'm going to take a lot of this, a generous amount. I'm going to put this all over the part that's going to be slick. Now I'm going to take a bristle brush and I'm just going to brush this. And then I'm going to take my paddle brush again just to make sure that all the knots are out. And I'm going to switch back to my bristle brush. What I'm going to do with this section is I'm going to detangle the bottom half so that it won't be all frizzy like it just was. And then I'm going to twist it up. Okay, so now I'm going to take this section out. I'm going to spray it down with some water. I'm going to take my paddle brush and I'm going to detangle my hair. I'm going to take some of that leave-in conditioner. I'm going to go back in with my paddle brush just to brush that all through. Now I'm going to go in with my gel. And then I'm going to put this all over where the hair is going to be laid. For the back section, you want to part it so that it won't lift. And since my hair is so thick, one layer, it's not going to do it. You even want to put some down here. Now you're going to take your bristle brush and you're just going to brush this through. Make sure your hair is all sleek. Gonna go back in with your paddle brush to make sure all the tangles are out. Back in with your bristle brush. Now that you have that all slick, you want to re-detangle the end so that it won't be frizzy. And then you're gonna twist this section also. Now I'm gonna take a loose this part and repeat the exact same process. Okay, so this part is gonna be a little bit more complicated because this is where the swoop is gonna come in. So you wanna do the same thing. You wanna put gel all over the hair. Also want to layer this. You can add more gel if you need it. So I'm gonna go in with this comb and I'm just gonna use this, make the hair super sleek. Make sure there's no tangles. So after you have your swoop slicked, you just want to start bring all the hair together. You can take out these twists now. You want to use your bristle brush and make sure that everything is slick. Okay, so now you're gonna take your scrunchie or ponytail holder or whatever you want to call it, and you just want to put all of your hair back into this. Okay, as you guys can see, the swoop is separated. This is when I actually go in and perfect the swoop after I have already pulled my hair back, because this is when it is the most easiest to do so. So I'm just going to be playing with it with this toothbrush and some gel until I just get it the way that I want it. And so, yeah. So since the swoop is prone to curling back up, I'm going to use some Got To Be Ultra Glued, and I'm going to put this on my toothbrush, and I'm going to use this on my swoop so that it could stay. Now I'm just going to be working on my baby hairs, and I'm going to use a mixture of gel and Got To Be to lay that. Okay, so this is what I got. So of course you can leave your hair like this, but for this video I am going to be doing a weave ponytail because this video is sponsored by GHair, and I'm going to be using their loose deep wave hair. The first step is I'm going to detangle my hair with my paddle brush so that it can calm down a little bit, because as you guys can see, it got frizzy. And then I'm going to twist my hair in a 2-strand twist. Super tight, because you want the bun to be small as possible. I'll turn around, but you just want to wrap this into a bun. And I'm going to secure this with a rubber band. As you guys can see, I have a bun here. So I'm going to start off with the 22-inch bundle, and I'm just going to unravel it. Okay, so for this part, you're going to need some bobby pins because that's what I'm going to be using to secure the hair. So I'm just going to take the bundle and unravel it. So I'm going to be double wrapping it, which means that I have folded the weft, and I'm going to take a little piece off the end, and I'm going to use this and just wrap it around my hair to just make sure that the hair won't move. So now I'm just gonna start wrapping the hair around the bun. And then I'm going to take the end piece and also wrap this around. So this is what it's looking like so far. I am going to need another bundle. And be careful guys, because the tighter you wrap it, the tighter the ponytail is gonna get and the more uncomfortable it's gonna be. So just make sure that you don't wrap it too tight. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start wrapping the 20-inch bundle. Okay, so now that we have the ponytail all wrapped, what you want to do is you want to take a piece from the back. You want to take a comb and just comb this out. You want to wrap this around the ponytail so that you don't see the track. And you also want to secure this with a bobby pin. Okay, to ensure that this stays, I'm just gonna take some Got To Be Glue Blasting Freeze Spray, and I'm just gonna spray this on the hair. Because I like my ponytails to be big, I'm just gonna take this medium size comb and I'm just going to lightly comb the hair so that it can kind of get out of that curl pattern just a little bit, but you still want to be able to see it. But at the same time, I don't want it to be too neat. So far from combing the hair, this is how much hair has came out, which is not a bad amount. So yeah guys, this is what the ponytail looks like. It is super duper cute. I cannot wait to wear this to school tomorrow. Your girl gonna be like... So guys, this is the finished look of the ponytail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up and also hit that subscribe button because my cash baby's lit, period. And I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you could be lit too. But I'll see you guys in my next video. So, bye.